Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Cooper brake light. Before we begin, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a few basic tools, such as a Torx driver, typically a T20 or T25, and a plastic trim removal tool. Most importantly, have your new brake light bulb ready. Common types are P21W or 382. Working in a well-lit space will make this task much easier and safer for you. Now let's get to the brake light. Depending on your Mini Cooper model, you might access the bulb from inside the trunk by removing a small access panel. For other models, you'll need to gently pry off the exterior trim ring around the taillight using a trim tool. After that, you'll typically find 3 Torx screws, often T20 or T25, that secure the entire light assembly. Remove these screws carefully. With the light assembly exposed, locate the specific brake light bulb holder. Gently twist this holder counterclockwise by about 45 degrees to release it from the housing. To remove the old bulb, push it inward slightly, then twist it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Now, take your new bulb, push it into the socket, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Remember not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Almost done, carefully guide the bulb holder back into its slot in the light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it. If you remove the entire assembly, position it back into the chassis and secure the 3 Torx screws. Finally, snap any trim pieces or interior access panels back into their original positions. Have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is shining brightly and working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.